guys follow along. I promise I'll do some cool stuff. Hey guys. You're too close. Oh. Back down here today. I gotta get some rivets put in frame. This will be on, I think, my next tool review, so that's cool. I put some screws in my customer's Bimini frame, and I need to remove those and put, whoa, and put rivets in. Why? Because it's the right thing to do, and it holds better. At least I believe it holds better. Let's just find out which size I'm going to go with. I think this one. No, not that one. Big one. It's chilly out here today. It's freaking like 58. Summer has passed us by. And unfortunate, but it is what it is. Up here on the Great Lakes, you get a summer for about 2 months. And it's instantly fall, faster than you want it to be. That'll be good. Look at that giant thing. That, hopefully, will work just fine. But we shall see. Sorry for the wind. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful out though. I give it that. I don't mind the 58, 60 degree days. But I do like summer. Let's see what I'm talking about. Oh, she got wet. Ouch. See what's wet. Oh, I didn't even look. Couldn't even tell. Alright, so these here are being held in little bitty screws. I needed something a little better. Oh, don't tell me it ain't gonna fit. spot. There it is. Perfect. The old what the? Oh, that's not good. There we go. I don't know why I did that. Freaking things. I'll have to file that down. It broke it off way back up here. I shouldn't be breaking it off up there, that's for sure. Strange why it would break off there. Fight that. There it is. Fighting it. I'll pop this side off. Loosen this top up a little bit. There we go. Breaking it off. The weirdest spot. Didn't even break it. Huh. Alright. Came off. Weird. Now, some rivets, nothing ever goes as planned. It's a simple, stupid thing that should be no problem. And that was it. That's all I needed to do down here. This here is the top that I fixed yesterday. I actually filmed it, but my phone apparently was out of storage and I have no idea what happened. But, you know, this is what it is. So there was zero footage of me repairing this, and that was the whole purpose. Well, not the whole purpose. Money is the whole purpose. But I repaired this pocket, repaired this whole seam here, and some patchwork. I can show you on the outside, but repaired this Bimini too. I'll show you some of the patch. Let me flip your. That was the patch there. There's a couple patches, little patches right up there. But all in all, this canvas is good. What's wrong with it is you see the polyurethanes coming off on the inside. This is what they coated, extra waterproofing. But all in all, this canvas is in good shape. So yeah, down here, just have a couple other customers to go to in a little bit. Nice, a lot of nice boats down here in this marina. I will see you guys in a little while. On to the next. Have a good day. Or good day until I see you again. So, and do me a favor, like and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. I'm trying to build it. I'm new. If you like what I do, I would appreciate it. And God bless you guys. Have a good day.